So as we're walking down this main tent area, you'll see there's a lot of trees. There's also this area where we can maybe do some of the outside content. The poles you see in the middle, that's what they call the Oriental Garden. We're not really activating that, but just so you can see where it's sitting. And then if I just go to the right, this is the walkway in between the trees that takes you to the schools and the science communicators area. So I'll just take you down to the main walkway where you turn right. So basically it's along here. So the school's tents will be along there at the end. You can see the gateway at the far side. That's basically where the buses will pull up and the kids will enter. I'll just walk up there. The kids will enter through that gate that you see in the far ground. They'll turn to the right and then the school's tents will be there and the ambassadors will be in the other area there. And then they'll walk along this area back towards the main activation areas, which are there and along there. So this bottom one is the same as the other piece of grass. It has the same water canal thing running through the middle. It's slightly raised, we'll need to build a deck, but that takes you all the way down to gate number 2, which you can see in the far ground, and that's where all the storage etc. is. And if I just walk along here, you'll see this is the area that we're currently not using. And then this is the area we spoke about. It's very wide, and we could look at maybe putting bubbles in this area because it is very wide and it's recessed off the main path, which is here. It's very wide. But there is an area in the middle that we discussed on the call yesterday, but maybe we can work around that. There's still probably a good sort of 10 metres between the main pathway and this grass area where they're potentially growing something. And then that's off to some gardens on the far side, which we're not using because they're too kind of remote. You won't see them from the main area.